So the exercise I'm showing you in this video is an exercise you can play with your dog. It builds the relationship between the two of you. It also will make him use his instincts, which is really good to drain his energy and to keep him grounded, right? To keep his animal instincts. And if you don't have enough time to go outside, or if the weather's really bad, you still want to exercise your dog. You still want to make him tired. So this game is a very good game for you guys to play. It will also help you teach him new commands. It will also be fun for the both of you. It really doesn't take more than 10 minutes, and it will help build your relationship to your dog so you can be besties for life. So I hope you enjoy the video. If you do like it, make sure to put a like on the video, or if you have any thoughts about the video, if you find it useful, or if you want to see any videos on any different aspects of keeping a dog, make sure you post them in the comments. Very fun game you can play with your dog. If you're at home, the weather's not good outside, but he wants some exercise. The exercise doesn't have to be necessarily physical exercise. It can be mental stimulation. And when they use their nose to find objects, this is a game called hide and seek, right? So when they use their nose to find objects, they tire themselves out. Stay. So now I'm gonna do the first level of difficulty. I'm just making him stay. I'm putting it down in a spot, and I'm going to let him find it. This is very easy because he saw the whole thing. Go get it. He exactly knows where it is. So that's level number 1. Next level is going to be a little bit more difficult. It won't be right in front of his eyes. Drop it. Drop it. So if this happens to you, don't pull with him, because that makes him want to play a game. So if you pull and he pulls, that's tug of war. That's not what you're trying to achieve. You just want to take it away from him. You can introduce the word command, drop it, and then just, not pull, and let him release it. Good boy. Stay. So level number 2 is he is going to see exactly where I'm hiding the thing, but it won't be right in front of his view because it's blocked by an object. Go get it. He knows where to look for it. He finds it very easily. Good job. Whenever he finds it, make sure you show him affection. You give him some praise. You can even give him some treats so he enjoys playing this game. Leave it. Okay, so we obviously have to work on that still. All right. Sit. Good boy. Stay. So level number 3. I'm going to trick him. So I'm going to pretend to hide this thing right here. And dogs don't see very well. But I'm not going to hide it. I'm actually going to hide it maybe over here or somewhere along the way where he doesn't see where I'm hiding it. Maybe I'll hide it, in the box here. And I'm still pretending to hold it. I'm gonna hide it under the bed here. It's not really there, but he doesn't know, right? So now, whenever you're ready, go get it. See? Obviously, he checks the first place I hid it. The second place. Good boy! Good boy, you found it very well. All right. So this was level number 3. And level number 4, the most advanced level. Drop it. Drop it. Okay, sit. Is the most advanced one. Good boy, stay. As I'm going to hide this in another room where he won't be able to see. Stay. So if he stands up, just sit him back. Sit. Good boy. Stay. You just want him to stay. And I'm going to hide it. Let's see. Where should I hide it? Somewhere difficult. I'm going to hide it. No cheating. Go back. So I'm going to hide it So he didn't see where I hid it. Hey, come here. Sit. So he can't go get it until hey, sit. Come on, sit. Roscoe, come here. Good boy. Sit. Good boy. Go get it. And he knows it's in the other room. Now is the interesting part. He doesn't know where it can be because he didn't see me hide it. So he's looking around. He's looking at me for cues. He's using his eyes, as you can see. He's looking up and down. He's checking in here, maybe. Okay, he's taking a break. Alright, there you go. Hear those sounds? He's starting to use his nose. He's sticking his nose up in the air to catch a scent. This is what really challenges him. This is what... Oh, there you go. He caught a sniff of it. And he found it. Good boy. You're such a smart boy. You used your nose to find your little toy. And here, if you're ready, this was... See, now he's a little bit more not as jumpy anymore. Because even though it looks easy, like using his nose so much, especially if they're not used to it, it drains them out. He needs some water afterwards. He needs a nice pat on the back. He's a good boy. He needs a jackpot reward. And then you can go play with him.